And this is why fireworks should be banned. Last night there was some being let off pretty much right next to our barns. Yeah, he was fine last night. It's